In this video, we'll explore fraction division from the partitive division perspective. Now, as we talked before about dividing fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So if we have our example here, 2/3 divided by 6/13, to be able to actually solve this, we have to invert and multiply. So we change the division to multiplication, flip that second fraction, and then we multiply across to get 26/18, and then we simplify. And we get 13/9. Now, how do we look at understanding fraction division from a partitive division problem? So let's look at 3/5 divided by 1/4. We have to put it into context, and the context often used with partitive division is trying to fill a whole group. So say I have a pitcher of lemonade, and 3/5 of a quart will fill 1/4 of a pitcher. And I want to know how many quarts will it take to fill the pitcher. So it sounds a little bit different, but the whole notion is trying to fill some container. So in this case, I know that 3/5 of a quart will fill 1/4 of a group, the pitcher, but we want to fill the entire group. So this means to fill one whole container, we have to do 3/5 divided by 1/4. Now we also have to pay attention when we see the words divided by versus divided in. When we have divided by, say 5 divided by 3/7, we're talking about 5, and then we're going to have the divide sign 3/7. It's how we actually talk about division. It's the way we say it. But every once in a while you're going to see people using the words divide in, because we'll say things like divide 8 into thirds or 8 into fourths, and we need to know what does that mean. So if we start here, say divide 12 into thirds. That means we want to divide 12 into 3 equal parts. That means 12 divided by 3. So when we invert and multiply, that also means it's 12 times 1/3. So in essence, when you see the word dividing in, you're really going to be multiplying the two values together. 12 times 1/3. So it's a little bit different, so you have to pay attention to that terminology.